So there's three essential parts to making the pendulum clock work. There's the pendulum, the escapement wheel, and the counterweight. Now, essentially, the pendulum, if it was by itself, would theoretically continue to swing like this forever when it's held at a certain angle theta, and it'll swing back at that same angle theta, because the only force that would be acting on it would be gravity and friction. But because there is friction, that's eventually going to cause the pendulum to slow down and stop swinging after a long period of time. Now that's where the escapement wheel comes in. The escapement wheel's movements cause the pendulum to tick back and forth like that, and the pendulum's inner arm contacts with the teeth on the wheel back and forth with each arm, which causes the pendulum to keep swinging. Now, theoretically, this would keep the pendulum swinging forever, or at least until our counterweight goes to the ground, which is the third essential part of this. The counterweight is actually what keeps the escapement wheel in motion, which is what keeps the pendulum in motion. So you basically have to have all these three parts working together in order to get the clock to work.
That's what I'm talking about.